The courtroom was packed. Cameras flashed. Reporters whispered, and at the center of it all, Elon Musk. He sat calmly at the defense table, his hands folded neatly, his expression unreadable. Across from him, the lead prosecutor smirked, confident that this trial would be an easy victory. Even the judge seemed skeptical, leaning forward with a raised eyebrow. "Mr. Musk," he said, his tone laced with amusement, "do you really think you can outsmart an entire legal team without a law degree?" The courtroom chuckled. The judge was mocking him. But what happened next? No one saw it coming, because Elon Musk was about to give them a legal lesson they would never forget. It all started with a billion-dollar lawsuit. A major tech firm had accused Musk's company of stealing their patented technology, an innovation they claimed was the backbone of Musk's latest breakthrough. Their lead attorney, William Harris, was known for taking down corporate giants. He had built a career crushing CEOs who thought they were untouchable. And today, he was going after Musk. "Your Honor," Harris said confidently, "we have undeniable proof that Mr. Musk's company used our client's patented technology without permission. This is theft, plain and simple." He turned to Musk. "And no amount of charm or theatrics will change that." The judge nodded. "Proceed with your evidence, Mr. Harris." The prosecution presented their case with charts, documents, and expert testimonies. They painted a picture of Musk's company as a reckless empire that took whatever it wanted. By the time Harris finished, the jury looked convinced. Even the judge seemed ready to hand down a ruling. Then it was Musk's turn. Musk stood up slowly, adjusting his suit. He walked to the podium with the same confidence he had when launching rockets, and then, in typical Musk fashion, he said something no one expected. "Your Honor, this entire case is built on a lie." Silence. The judge squinted. "Excuse me?" Musk leaned in slightly. "I respect intellectual property laws, I really do. But the truth is, the technology they're claiming as theirs, it's not revolutionary. It's not even original. It's been around for decades." Gasps rippled through the room. The judge frowned. "You're saying the plaintiff's patent is invalid?" Musk smirked. "I'm saying they're trying to own an idea that's already in the public domain." Musk turned to the jury. "Let me put it this way," he said. "Imagine if someone patented the wheel today. Would that make sense?" The jury murmured. The analogy was simple but powerful. Then, Musk pulled out a thick binder, a collection of research papers, blueprints, and patents from years before the plaintiff even existed. "Here's proof that this technology was being used long before they claimed to have invented it." He handed copies to the judge and jury. They flipped through the pages, their expressions shifting. Harris, the prosecutor, turned red. "Objection, Your Honor," he snapped. "This is irrelevant. The law is the law." The judge held up a hand. "Actually, this changes everything." For the first time, the judge looked troubled. He had been skeptical of Musk at first, but now he was listening. Musk took a deep breath. He knew this was his moment. Patents were meant to protect inventors, not give companies the power to block progress. But instead of innovating, some corporations are using them to sue their competition out of existence. That's not protecting ideas. That's monopolizing them. He paused, letting his words sink in. If we allow this case to win, it sets a dangerous precedent. It means anyone with money can own an idea, even if they didn't truly invent it. Do we really want to live in that world? The judge stared at Musk. He was no longer mocking him. He was impressed. After a long silence, the judge leaned forward. "Mr. Harris," he said to the prosecutor, "you presented a strong case, but Mr. Musk just tore it apart." Harris swallowed hard. The judge turned to Musk. "Your argument raises serious concerns about how intellectual property is used. I cannot, in good conscience, rule in favor of the plaintiff." Gasps echoed in the courtroom. The judge dismissed the case. Harris slumped in defeat. Musk simply smiled. He had done it. He had walked into court with no law degree, No fancy legal team, just facts, logic, and a vision for the future. And he had won. The case was over, but the debate was just beginning. Musk had exposed a flaw in the patent system, one that many companies exploited to maintain power. So the question remains, should corporations be allowed to patent ideas that already exist, or should innovation be open to all? What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this.